Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to change the font size in Google Chrome. Follow these simple steps to customize your browsing experience. Step 1. Open Google Chrome. Launch the browser by clicking on the icon on your desktop or searching for it in your Applications folder. Step 2. Go to Settings. Locate the button with 3 horizontal bars in the upper right corner of the browser. Click on it to reveal the main menu. Scroll down and select Settings. A new tab will open with the Chrome settings. Step 3. Click on Appearance. On the left-hand side of the settings page, you'll see a list of options. Find and click on Appearance to access the appearance settings. Step 4. Next to Font Size, you'll find a drop-down menu. Click on it to see the available options. Choose the desired font size that suits your preference, and there you have it. You've successfully changed the font size in Google Chrome. Remember, customizing the font size can make reading web pages more comfortable for you. So feel free to experiment with different sizes until you find the one that works best for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks.